Hi. So for this problem, we are given two linked lists sorted in ascending order, and we have to merge them in place and return head of the merged list. So for example, if the first list is 10, 20, 30 and the second list is 15, 17, then the result should be 10, then 15, the next is 17, then 20, then 30. And then we have, and this is the requirement of this problem, that we have to do the merging in place using O of 1 extra space. So there are two ways to solve this problem. One is recursively and the another one is iteratively. So the recursive doesn't take only one of one space, I guess. So the iterative way takes O of 1 space. But this is O of n time. So I have written the recursive one, the node, and then the merge to list. If L1 is null, then return L2. If L2 is null, then return L1. Now we'll check. If L1 value is less than L2 value, then L1 next will be this thing, L1 dot next and L2. And else L2 dot next, then merge list L2 dot next L1 and return L2. So this is done recursively. So, but we have to do in over one extra space, so we will be going to solve this problem using iterative way. So I'll write the node class first. So public class node, then public int val public node next. Now we will write a constructor. So public node, and it will take an argument x, and now it will have val will be equal to x. Okay, now we're gonna write the merge one iteratively. So we'll have a class first, the public class solution, and this class is getting over here. Yeah, so it is this. Now we'll write the function. So public node merge to lists. So node L1 node L2. Now if L1 is equal to null or L2 is equal to null, equal to I mean, then we'll return L1 equal to null, L2, L1. So if it's null, then it will return L2. If it's not null, then it will return L1. So this is in the recursive way we wrote it as a if else, the general if else, and here we are using the ternary operator. Okay, so this is done. So next is we'll have a node dummy. We'll have a dummy node. New 0. Okay. Now node current will be pointing at dummy. Okay. Now while L1 is not equal to null and L2 is also not equal to null, and if L1 dot val is less than L2 dot val, then current dot next will be L1. Okay, because this is L1 is smaller. and then L1 will be equal to L1 dot next. Else current dot next will be L2, and L2, and we'll increment L2, so L2 will be L2 dot next. And then finally current will be incremented, so current will be equal to current dot next. And then current dot next equal to L1, so equal to null. If it's null, then it will be L2. If not, then it will be L1. And then we'll return the dummy dot next. Yeah, so this is the iterative way, and it is running O of 1 extra space, and the time is O of 1 and O of n. Thanks.